Hi friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. It's a little late in the evening and I have planned a recipe that I'm going to show you all today. And it's called vegetable biryani pulao. Also there is a twist to this particular vegetable biryani pulao. And the twist is going to be given by this is what you see here. What is this that you see here? These are the slivers of beetroot. So the twist to this biryani is going to be this beetroot. Lot of my friends love this recipe. They have eaten this recipe and they have requested me many times to teach them how to make this recipe. So let's start. So quickly get hold of a pen and paper because we have a lot of things here that we need to note. First thing we have here, we have got here some carrot. You can see carrot, chop them the way you like, in slivers or whatever way you like. I've got here some beans. These are the frozen ones that were sitting in my fridge, and I have got these colorful capsicum. Even they were sitting in my freezer. They are frozen. And I have got here, this is cauliflower. This also was frozen, so I'm using this. And I've got some here potatoes, which I have washed, cleaned, and I've cut them like this. I've cut them in length. You can, okay. Then I have here 3 onions sliced very fine. If you can see, they are sliced very fine like we use it in the biryani. Okay. And I have taken here 1 whole beetroot. How to cut them into slivers I will show you in the end. I've kept half aside. ओके तो अगर आपको समझ में आ गया है तो मैं भी हिंदी में बोलती हूँ. ये 1/4 कप है, ये भी 1/4 कप है, ये 1 कप है. ओके, ये आधा कॉलीफ्लावर है. ये 1 2 3 चीज़ें ना मेरे पास फ्रोज़न थी, तो मैं इसको हल्का सा तेल में फ्राई करूँगी. उसके बाद मैं कैरेट को भी फ्राई करूँगी. 70% तक उसको फ्राई करें, थोड़ा कच्चा रखें. आलू को भी 70% तक फ्राई करना है, थोड़ा कच्चा रखना है. मैंने 3 आलू लिए हैं और ये हैं 3 मीडियम साइज के अनियंस, जिसको मैंने बिरयानी में हम कैसे स्लाइस करते हैं वैसे स्लाइस कर लिया. आई हैव टेकन, प्लीज नोट, आई हैव टेकन 3 कप राइस. 3 कप राइस आई हैव टेकन. ग्लास नहीं लेना है आपने, 3 ग्लास नहीं लेना है, क्योंकि सबके ग्लास के साइज अलग अलग है अपने घर में. Everyone in their house have got different kind of glass size. So you take the cup. The normal standard measurement is there for a cup. If you're not able to understand that, तो आधा किलो चावल ले लीजिए. Best way. So take half kg rice. Soak it up. 1 घंटा 2 घंटा आपको कितना सोक करना है कर लीजिए. All right. And मैंने नॉर्मल ज़ीरा राइस लिया है. Now let's come to the other ingredients here. Here I have taken 4 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Okay, and I have taken half cup curd. ये 1/4 cup है, तो ये हो गया half cup curd. Okay, मैंने 2 teaspoon salt लिया है. यहाँ पे है हाफ कप तली हुई प्याज. ऑप्शनल है, आपके पास है तो डालें. 2 टेबलस्पून लेमन जूस. यहाँ पे है 1 टीस्पून पेपर. यहाँ पे है 1 टीस्पून होल ज़ीरा. थोड़े से लौंग हैं, 2-3 क्या बोलते हैं, दालचीनी की स्टिक है. थोड़ी सी हींग है. 4 इलायची है, 2 बड़ी इलायची है. ओके, तो ये सारी चीज़ें आप नोट कर लीजिए कि बनाने के वक्त मैं बहुत फास्ट बनाने वाली हूँ। नाउ लेट्स कम टू द ड्राई मसाला। तो पहले आप इसको नोट कर लीजिए, मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको बड़े तरीके से आपको मिल जाएगा। यू विल गेट इट इन अ प्रॉपर वे इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। विल कम टू द ड्राई मसाला। इन ड्राई मसाला we have here half teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi, 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder। ये Kashmiri red chili powder है 1.5 teaspoon। ये आधा टीस्पून तीखी वाली मिर्च है। आपको नहीं अच्छा लगता है तीखा तो ये ऑप्शनल है। उसके बाद है हाफ टी स्पून जीरा, 2 टीस्पून धनिया पाउडर एंड दिस इज हाफ टी स्पून गरम मसाला। ओके, और ये जो मसाला है यहाँ पे, सॉरी माफ करना, ये जो मसाला आप जो देख रहे हैं ये है 2 टीस्पून किचन किंग मसाला। ये अभी नहीं यूज करना है, ये भी हम बाद में यूज करेंगे, तो इसे भी मैं साइड में रख दूँ। और ये है बे लीफ। और हमें चाहिए 4 मीडियम साइज के टमाटर जो मैंने मेरे चॉपर में पीस लिया है। ये कुछ थोड़ा मसाले में भी डालेंगे, थोड़े गार्निश में भी आएंगे। ये मेरे पास कोतमीर ज़रा इस तरह की है और मैंने मिर्ची ली हूँ कुछ 6 से 8 मिर्ची, और मैं कट नहीं करती हूँ, अखी डाल देती हूँ। प्लीज़ नोट करें कि मेरी बहुत सारी रेसिपीज अपलोड हुई हैं, so please go and watch all my videos where I have made the recipes. It is absolutely very easy. It is easy for bachelors living out here. It's easy for women who are going out and working. It's very easy for them also to follow, and you will enjoy making my recipes. You'll definitely enjoy making my recipes. Okay. It's a very simple, neat, clean kitchen. किचन साफ सुथरा होता है तो खाना बनाने का बड़ा मन करता है। So let's start with the recipe then. अब मैं डाल रही हूँ तेल। हाँ, और ये वेजिटेबल बिरयानी पुलाव बनाने के लिए मुझे कितना तेल लगेगा वो मैंने बताया नहीं है आपको, वो भी मैं बताऊंगा। So what I'm trying to say is keep this kind of cup for your measurements. I have measured my rice with this cup, 3 cup. Again I'm repeating 3 cups, which is almost 440 grams. But you take half kg rice. What I am showing you is sufficient for half kg rice, the masala. So we'll just add the potatoes. Oh, and I forgot to tell you. Okay, be careful now when you are putting. तेल की छींटे ना उड़े. Peas. Take half cup, 1 cup, how much you like. I just had half cup, so I've taken half cup. I've just taken 1 cup oil to fry. Everybody knows how to fry it. Ensure that you don't fry it completely. Okay, 70% only. And if you do not have Kitchen King masala, it's optional. You can add that Shahi Biryani masala. Once this becomes little more pink in color, we'll remove it. I'll remove this now. See, it's become little pink, little more than pink. कि मसाले में भी आप इसको भूनेंगे तो उधर भी थोड़ा पकेगा ये। Now we'll add the carrot. With the other vegetables become little moist. So what I'm doing is I'm going to dab it with the tissue paper. You can see here, I'll dab it with the tissue paper. I'm adding this. Be very careful. I'll switch off the gas because the oil is very hot. Yeah. The oil was so hot that this is enough for the carrot. उसके बाद fry करो. Add it, okay? Alright, I've got rid of the moisture from the cauliflower as well. But use fresh cauliflower, don't use frozen like me. Look at the cup. Okay, and in the last we'll add the cauliflower. So this is what I do. Take this sieve, whatever you want to fry, add on it. Slow down the gas. Yeah, and add it. Okay, all frying is done. Have here are all vegetables fried now. Okay, so let's start making it. चलिए फ्रेंड्स, रेसिपी की और बढ़ते हैं. तो जब मैंने तेल फ्राई किया है तो मेरे पास 1/4 कप ऑयल तलने में चला गया. What I am going to do is I'm going to add half of this first. So we have got 3/4. So I'm going to add first 1/4 cup oil. So rest of all my measurements you will be able to see the description. Okay. So I'm adding dalchini. I'm adding the cinnamon, hing, 2 big elaichis and 4 small elaichis. Oil is very hot. Then I'm adding the peppercorns, kali mirch, zeera and some cloves. I'll quickly stir this. You don't have to burn the whole spices. Garam masale अगर आपने जला दिए, your biryani is not going to taste nice. And I'm going to add the bay leaf. Okay, and now I'm adding my finely sliced onions, which is very important part of this pulao. It is not difficult to make this. So we had almost put 1/4 and 2 tablespoon oil in this. What I am going to do is I am going to add another half. Have to fry the onions very well. If you can see, you don't have to burn the onions. All right, we have to fry them. Already done pink, it's become little more than pink. Another 2 minutes. Now we need to add in this your ginger garlic paste. You can see this. I told you, ginger garlic paste. This is 4 tablespoons. Okay, I'm going to add this whole thing. Ginger garlic paste. Nicely fry the onions and the ginger garlic paste. Always keep a cup of water aside. If you've seen my previous videos, I've shown you the technique of frying the masala. You see, this is how our onions should be. They should not burn. Now we need to fry the ginger, garlic, and the onions very well. You can't keep them raw. Right? If you have not seen my recipe of easiest biryani ever, meaty chicken biryani, please go and check my recipe. Alright? In that recipe also I have taken rice 3 cups or half kg I've mentioned, and for that biryani I had used around half cup oil. Okay? See the color? When you see the color at this stage, we have to add all our spices. That is half teaspoon your turmeric powder, haldi, 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon spicy chili powder. Okay, then we got 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon zira powder, and half teaspoon garam masala. Okay, all this you need to add. At the same time, you need to add little water. If you're not going to do that, the masala is going to burn. You will not be able to fry them well. So again, I'm insisting on the technique. Now we have not added salt as yet. Okay. I've taken 1 cup water to fry the masala. This is more I'm adding. Okay. You can see the masala has left the oil. Now we need to add our finely chopped tomatoes. Can you see this? Salt. I'm adding right now. I'm adding the salt. When you use half kg rice, take little more oil and little more salt. As I told you, take 1/4 teaspoon salt more and take 2 tablespoon oil more. Rest all the masala is fine. I told you in a previous video also, whenever you're adding your curd, okay, don't add it like this. Beat your curd nicely. Make it smooth. Okay? Not adding it now. You have to fry the masala till it eats all the oil. Half cup. We'll add the vegetables also. We need to check the salt. At this stage, I'm adding the peas because peas take a lot of time to cook. I'm adding the potatoes. Rest will follow. Little more oil because we need exactly half cup oil for this recipe. I'll slow down the gas and I'll cover this with a lid. Just 2 tablespoons water. I don't want my masalas to burn. Keep it like this for around 5 minutes. Look at the color. The color is absolutely divine. Nice color. You can see. Delicious color. Oh, it's not burnt. It's great. Trying to immediately mix the vegetables and immediately mix the rice. This is what I have done to the rice. I have put that in a sieve. Let it stay in it. We don't want water in it right now. And keep around, say, 5 glasses of water to boil. Masala is done. I'm going to add, just going to add around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You need to add some chilies. To this I'm adding some mint. We'll add these vegetables that we had fried. We'll switch off the gas. Become a little hot, so I'll switch off the gas. I'll add my Kitchen King masala. If you do not have, add your biryani masala of any brand, homemade. If you don't have, then also fine. I'm adding the coriander. I'll take you forward from here now what I'm going to do. ये है, ये जो मसाला जो रेडी किया था, ये सब मैं राइस कुकर में डालूंगी. बिस्मिल्लाह. आप अगर आपके पतीली में बना रहे हैं, बर्तन में बना रहे हैं, कोई देगची में बना रहे हैं, तो बस आपको उसके अंदर चावल डालना है. वो मसाले में जैसे मैंने ये डाला है, ये चावल डालना है. ये चावल मैं इसमें डाल देती हूँ. बिस्मिल्लाह. अब इस कुकिंग मोड पे है बर्तन. पानी मैंने ऑलरेडी गर्म करने रख दिया है. ऑलरेडी देखो कुकिंग मोड पे चला गया है। अब मैं हल्के हाथ से चावल और ये मसाला पूरा मिक्स करूँगी। अब कुछ नहीं डालना है इसमें, बस गर्म पानी हम डालेंगे। हम सॉल्ट चेक करेंगे, ठीक है। दैट्स इट, वी डोंट हैव टू डू टू मच स्ट्रगल ऑन इट। ऑलराइट, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड द वाटर। एंड वाटर एज यूजुअल, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया है, आप नॉर्मल चावल कैसे बनाते हैं, आपका पुलाव कैसे बनाते हैं, उसी हिसाब से पानी लीजिए। ऊपर तक थोड़ा 1/2 इंच उतना ही आपको डालना है, पर गर्म डालना है पानी। Measurement is always little above the rice, so I've just allowed the rice to set and little above I have taken. 4 cups of water, 4 to 5 cups of water. Check with the spoon, because this water should be a bit salty. We had added 2 teaspoons salt, so I am going to add another half teaspoon. Salt and all add as per your taste. Okay, I'm covering this with a lid now. I'm covering this with a lid, and I will see you in 5 minutes. Then we'll put this for dum. Alright friends, let's check. Once your water has dried this much in your vessel, your handi or whichever vessel you're using, or if you're using electric rice cooker, when this much it is done, you need to pick up your slivers of your beetroot. That's the twist. You need to spread it on this. Some of your coriander, chop them nicely. Don't leave like the stems that I have left. Few pudina if you like, and your fried onions. Okay. Now again we'll cover this with a lid and give it a good dum of 10 minutes, and your vegetable biryani pulao is ready. All right, this is how the rice is looking. I'm going to add the rest of the lemon juice, and I'm going to add around 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the rice is cooked, leave it aside for 10 minutes. Okay, then with gentle hand we need to mix it. Okay, the very gentle hand we will mix it. You can see, gentle hand. Oh, it's piping hot. Cover with the lid and let it rest for a nice 10 minutes. and then serve everyone. Enjoy it. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please press that bell icon there. Leave your comments, see the complete video, and share my channel with your friends and family. All right then, I will see you soon with another wonderful recipe. Till then, my friends, bye-bye. Be safe. Take good care of yourself. Till then, we'll see how to make slivers out of the beetroot.